Welcome to Brahmi Creation. If you are new here, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Today I am teaching basic flower design in Mehendi. At starting, it is important to know how to draw flower design in Mehendi. Using these simple flowers, you can make beautiful Mehendi design. So, just learn basic shape of flowers. At first, we are going to draw heart shaped petal. See? Just practice this petal. We are making flower using this petal. Just draw one circle. Like this. We are using this petal over circle. See, this is one type of flower using in Mehendi design. Then just try to make another petal. You need to practice this petal several times. See? Draw circle. Use this petal over circle. This is another type of flower using in Mehendi. Then try to make this type of petal. Draw this petal over circle. Make one circle. Draw the petals. Like this. See, this is another type of flower. So then try to draw this type of petal. Make a circle. So you can see 4 type of flower here. One is heart shape, one is round shape, and here in this flower just draw one curve over here. So you will get this flower. So then learn to draw this flower. Where I draw 4 type of flower, you can make one design using this 4 flower. Here I am drawing simple design using that 4 flower. At first I am drawing heart shape petaled flower. Draw the circle. Then draw heart shape petal. Like this. Then draw round shape petal here. Make a circle. Draw round shape petal over here. Round shape petal over the circle. Here I am drawing one curve shape petaled flower. Just draw the circle. Draw curve shape petals over the circle. Where here I am drawing that leaf shape petal. Then just shade inside the petals. After shading the petals, design will be look like this. Thank you for watching.